In order to organise your Zotero library, it's helpful to create collections or folders in order to make subsets of your library. So to do this, you need to hover over the yellow icon in the top left-hand corner that's called New Collection. Click on New Collection. This is like creating a folder in your email inbox. And in this case, we're going to create one for an essay that we're perhaps writing, and we'll call it Essay 1. Click OK, and you can see that you get a new folder lodged underneath My Library. You can see it's completely empty at the moment. So we'll click on My Library, and we'll select resources that we want to put into that folder. We can select one item, click and hold and drag it over to Essay 1. You'll see Essay 1 changes to a dark blue, and you can drop it in. If we then click on Essay 1, you can see that we have now one item in this folder. If we go back to My Library, we could perhaps select multiple items. So click on one icon and hold down Control to select multiple items. When we've selected the number that we want to drag over, click on one of these blue items, again drag, hover over Essay 1, drop them in. You'll see that we now have 4 items in our essay folder. If we go back to My Library, however, those items are all still under My Library as well. They don't leave your My Library, but they can be placed in multiple folders while still remaining in My Library. Another way to organise your library is to create tags. If you click on the Tags tab on the right hand side, which relates to specific records, you might find that some records are downloaded with a number of tabs, and this might come from a catalogue record or from a journal database. Alternatively, you might find that there's a record without any tags. You can create a tag for any topic or theme, or again, if it's relating to a particular essay, and hit Enter. As soon as you do that, that creates a tab in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. If we scroll down alphabetically, we'll be able to find that Essay 1 is here, and that we have that one item tagged accordingly. And it's certainly easier to add multiple tags to a book or journal record rather than dragging and dropping it into a large number of folders.